William, William, do you have the hiccups? William, William, do you have the hiccups? Are they gone now? Oh, good, they're gone.